Have you received a letter demanding payment on a second mortgage you thought was gone? You're not alone. This is called a zombie debt trap. Old, dormant debts suddenly resurrected by collectors hoping you'll pay out of fear. They count on you forgetting details or losing paperwork, but you have rights and legal protections. Landmark cases like West v. JPMorgan Chase have shown that homeowners can fight back and win. You have the power to demand proof, challenge the debt, and protect your home. You're not defenseless. Federal and state laws protect you. Programs like HAMP and the Second Lien Modification Program, 2MP, often required second mortgages to be modified or wiped out. The National Mortgage Settlement forced big banks to forgive billions in second mortgages. In California, the Homeowner Bill of Rights, HOBR, gives you even more protection, requiring fair treatment and clear communication. Collectors must follow these rules even years later. With these tools, you can challenge old debt claims and defend your property. Here's your defense: Mosier: modify, cancel, extinguish, release, relinquish. Lenders were supposed to change, erase, or legally end your second mortgage, then release any claim on your home. Many failed to finish these steps, leaving liens or selling zombie accounts to collectors. Understanding Mosier helps you spot where the process broke down. Use this knowledge to demand accountability and stop illegal collection. If a collector can't prove they followed these steps, their claim may be invalid. Mosier is your roadmap to fight back. Ready to act? Start by gathering every document about your mortgage's modifications, settlement letters, anything showing cancellation. This paperwork is your evidence. Next, send a certified letter demanding debt validation, make them prove you owe it, and they have the right to collect. If they can't, or keep harassing you, consider legal action. Homeowners have won lawsuits to clear invalid debts and remove old liens. Support new laws like California's SB 681 and SB 130 to strengthen protections. Tell your representatives your story. Your fight helps others too. By acting, you defend your home and help build a fairer system. You now know what zombie debt is and how to fight it. Don't let fear control you. Take action. Contact a qualified real estate attorney. They can review your case, handle collectors, and file lawsuits if needed. Support stronger laws and consumer groups working to end zombie debt traps. Your story and your voice matter. Help protect other families too. Gather your documents, make the call, and stand up for your rights. You have the right to live peacefully in your home. Claim it today. Call California attorney Rich Rydstrom at 1-877-WIN4-U or visit